Now we're talking about C gene. This gene controls how much pigment a rabbit actually shows. If you've missed the other series videos, scroll back and check those out. The full color version is capital C. That lets you get the full pigment. So black, blue, chocolate, chestnut, lynx, opal, tort, and standard colors. The C gene confuses people the most because it seems, but once you'll get the hang of it. You get the hang of it, and then all of a sudden you're like, oh. The chinchilla version, C, but also CCHI technically, I'll put that on the screen. It removes the yellow and the red tones, but it keeps the dark pigment, okay? So chestnut becomes chinchilla, opal becomes then a blue chin. Then there's CH, the Himalayan gene. That's what gives them the pointed pattern. I'll put that up here. Darker ears, nose, feet, tail, and then the rest of the body is light. Still with me? Then we have the lowercase c, which is your REW, red-eyed white, ruby-eyed white. When a rabbit is double C, lowercase, you don't see any pigment at all. White fur, red eyes, even though they still may carry a ton of color underneath. So that's how come you can see that color present in litters. Okay, so a red-eyed white isn't plain, okay? That's why think of it like a canvas, okay? It's blank, but it's hiding whatever genetics it inherited. That's how come they can still throw lots of colors depending on what they carry and the other breeding rabbit carries, which is different from a BEW, which is a blue-eyed white, which comes from the Vienna gene, not the C gene. Vienna whites can have blue eyes and sometimes Vienna marks. But a red-eyed white, blue-eyed white, they're two very completely different things genetically, which we will get to that in a later video. C gene matters because it decides how much of that color you actually see on the coat, especially when it's mixing with the agouti pattern or the D for dilution gene. Clear as mud? You following along? Okay. Next week, we're going to talk about the D gene, the dilution gene, that will turn the black into blue and chocolate into lilac, like we've mentioned in the past videos. So be sure to follow along. All of these series videos will come together. Be sure that you're checking it out. And honestly, it just takes a lot of practice because it can be confusing. But stay with us. We're cruising right along. Follow.